Hôm nay tôi sẽ làm một số bánh mì thực sự ngon. The market is so lively today.
Give me 4 crispy loaves of bread, please. This part will be very tender when grilled. Just the right portion I needed.
The vegetables here must be really fresh to be delicious. Give me 2, please. Những quả cà chua này đẹp quá. The sweet and sour taste is just right. It smells so good. A little spicier would be more appealing. Tôi đã có đủ gia vị rồi. Give me a box of pate. The sauce is essential. Nice packaging makes the food look more appetizing. I have enough ingredients. It's going to be a perfect meal. So refreshing. Let's go home and cook. Oh, the ropes tighten again. The speech is followed by a contented exhale. The whole family will love it today. Để bắt đầu làm bánh mì nào. Chào mừng mọi người đến với căn bếp nhỏ của mình. Hôm nay chúng ta sẽ cùng nấu một món ăn truyền thống nhé. Wow, nhìn những nguyên liệu này thật tuyệt vời. Tất cả đều là rau củ tươi ngon hái từ vườn đấy. Chúng ta bắt đầu thôi nào, mọi người sẵn sàng chưa? Clean meat tastes better.
Slicing thinly will help the meat cook faster.
Just the right amount of seasoning will make it very flavorful. A little 5-spice powder is enough. Thịt cho thật đều. Marinate for about 30 minutes. The vegetables must be really clean. The vegetables are dry now. Crunchy cucumbers taste better. I love these. These vibrant red tomatoes are incredibly tempting. Just look at the freshness. It smells so good. The pate should be smooth. Preparing to grill the meat. To prevent the meat from sticking. Can you smell the delicious aroma? They're all browned now. The meat will taste better. It smells so good. Bây giờ tôi sẽ làm một chiếc bánh mì thật sự rất ngon.
Slice just enough to fit the filling.
It will be tastier if you grill it lightly. It's beautiful. The pâté is so rich and fragrant. It would taste better with a little more sauce. This is the secret to keeping the bread flavorful. The lettuce makes the bread fresher. The crispness of the cucumber will balance the flavor. The colors are so beautiful. The meat filling is so generous. It's more flavorful now. A little fragrant pepper is enough. That's the distinctive aroma.
Those who like spicy food shouldn't miss this.
The pickles help prevent the bread from being too rich. Just the right size is perfect. It looks delicious. The dish is almost ready. Eating iced tea would go very well. The sandwich is ready. Please enjoy.
A little more attention to detail makes it much prettier.
The butter will make the pastry more fragrant and shiny. Can you smell it? It's beautifully golden. Let the pastry settle before enjoying it. Small details make a dish beautiful. Add some sesame seeds for extra flavor. Now it is complete. The green color makes the dish stand out more. It looks so delicious. Eat whichever you like.
One glass of iced tea is enough to complete the flavor.
Wow. The filling looks so tempting. This is the perfect loaf of bread. Look at those layers, incredible. That crisping sound is so satisfying. Oh, hot off the press, just made.
Crispy, fragrant, and flavorful.
so delicious. Making more for the whole family.
Ready for a family meal.
Please take your seats. The hot sandwiches are ready. Let's all eat sandwiches. Wow, they look great. Come on, sit down, everyone. Delicious. Perfect morning. The sandwiches are freshly baked.
It looks delicious.
Each of you will have half.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
The meat is so tender and delicious.
Let's drink some iced tea together. I like my food a little spicy.
What a pleasant meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
It's so delicious, Mom.
This weekend is wonderful. Yes, it truly is. So peaceful here.
Eat more vegetables for better taste.
Eat slowly.
Eat some more. Thank you, big sister.
That's the taste of home.
Every weekend is this much fun.
Delicious. Delicious.
The atmosphere in our hometown is so pleasant,
Yes, it is.
so beautiful.
Enjoy your meal.
Breakfast like this is so happy.
Yes, it truly is.
So peaceful here.
Eat slowly, my dear. They're all better now. That's right.
Who wants more?
Nothing beats a meal in the countryside.
Grandma, have some more. Oh, thank you, dear. It looks wonderful.
The grilled meat is so tender and fragrant.
I won. You did not. Yes, I did.
Have a great weekend, everyone. Eat more vegetables for your health.
A long time.
It's been a long time since we've all been together like this.
Drink some more, grandfather.
Delicious. Delicious.
That's the taste of childhood.
Wipe your hands first, please. It's still hot.
Bread was very rare in the old days. Really?
Wow.
Chúc mọi người luôn dồi dào sức khỏe.
Chúc mọi người sức khỏe tốt. Chúc mọi người khỏe mạnh nha. Chúc sức khỏe cả nhà.
Chúc sức khỏe.
Chúc mọi người nhiều sức khỏe. Chúc sức khỏe cả nhà.
Everyone ate everything today.
It was delicious.
What a peaceful morning. Indeed.
Thank you for enjoying our sandwiches with our family. See you again.